हेलो बच्चों, आज हम सीखने वाले हैं ABCD अल्फाबेट्स A to Z अल्फाबेट्स। A है रेड कलर, ब्राउन कलर, ब्लू कलर, ग्रीन कलर and yellow color. Are you ready for a surprise fun ABC adventure? Come on, say with me. A, B, C. A for apple. Apple means save. B for ball. Ball means gained. C for cat. Billy. D for dog. Dog means kutta. E for elephant. Elephant means hathi. F for fish. Fish means machli. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for jug. K for kite. L for lion. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Wow kids, you did amazing! Now you know A to Z alphabets. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe the video. See you in the next video.